Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up TAS, guiding you through each essential step for a smooth installation. First, ensure all your hardware components are properly connected and powered on. Next, install the core TAS software onto your system, following the on-screen prompts carefully. Finally, confirm your network connections are stable, allowing all parts of the system to communicate effectively. This foundational work is crucial for optimal performance. Now, let's dive into the initial configuration. Begin by logging into the TAS administration panel with your provided credentials. Here, you will configure essential system parameters such as your preferred language, local time zone, and define various user roles and permissions. Next, establish your primary data sources and integration points to ensure smooth information flow. Remember to perform a preliminary system save to secure all your current configuration settings before proceeding further. Moving on to advanced settings and optimization, this phase allows you to tailor TAS for peak performance. Adjust performance settings to align with your unique operational demands, ensuring efficiency. Implement robust security protocols, including strict access controls and data encryption, to safeguard your information. Crucially, schedule automated backups to protect your valuable system data on a regular basis. Finally, calibrate any connected peripheral devices to ensure their accurate and reliable operation within the TAS environment. Finally, we reach the critical testing and troubleshooting phase. Conduct comprehensive system tests to verify that all functionalities are working correctly and as expected. Carefully review system logs for any errors, warnings, or unexpected behaviors that might indicate an issue. Address any common setup issues by consulting the official TAS documentation, which provides valuable solutions. Conclude by performing a final system restart to apply all changes and confirm the overall stability of your newly configured TAS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.